Hey everyone, talking about Bois de Ben by Matiere. The notes in this fragrance are juniper, guaiac wood, cypriol, nagarmotha, patchouli, palo santo, and there's definitely musk in this. Ugh, too musky for my taste, unfortunately. Ironic because I actually really like Parisian Musk by Matiere also, which I thought would be, since that's a lot of that's like centered around musk, I expected something that I really would hate. That one actually didn't smell like the type of musk I don't like. This does. Ew. There's like a nice, fresh, crisp, kind of meditative wood side to this one, which I do like. It's really just kind of the musk and the soapy patchouli that take it to a place that is not for me. That said, it totally does smell high quality. I would not say it's very unique though, within niche at least. Good projection and longevity. Leans slightly stereotypically masculine, but definitely not hyper masculine. I think pretty much on the border of unisex. Yeah, ultimately, though, even disregarding the fact that it is not my taste, I do think it's overpriced at $260 for a 100 mil. Again, not low quality or anything by any means. If this is your favorite type of scent profile, like fresh kind of juniper, woods, musk, cypriol, soapy-ish, patchouli, palo santo, yeah, I mean, maybe you'd feel totally different. But again, even regardless of that, I just think that it's overpriced because it's so not unique. There are so many things that smell like this. But I'll put a link in the description where you can get a bottle or a sample if you want to check it out for yourself.